guys, today I will review my science test. In last Friday, hindi natuloy ang test ko sa science. So today, it's a prank, guys. So there's an exam in Thursday or Friday in the science. Come on, let's learn.
Number 1, answers.
Pincers.
Ladybug, lobsters, crab,
Ladybug.
ducks, elephant, walrus, water buffalo,
Water buffalo.
hoops, bear, horse, zebra,
Bear.
sharp teeth and claws, lion, eagle, tiger,
Eagle. Not eagle, eagle.
eagle. Huwag ka na mga reaction. Stingers,
Not the spelling.
bee,
E-G-L-E. Like this. E-A-G-L-E.
bee, scorpion, butterfly.
What do you say?
Oh,
Butterfly.
hard shell, turtle, squirrel, snail,
Squirrel.
antlers, cow, reindeer,
Cow.
horns,
Not antlers. Antler.
antlers, horns, goat, lion,
Not
caracal.
horns. Horns.
Horns. Oh,
Lion.
spikes, porcupine, starfish,
Starfish.
hedgehogs,
Not
Garbage.
hedgehogs. Hedgehog.
hedgehog,
Hedgehog.
hard, sharp teeth, giraffe, alligator, fox.
Giraffe. With the long, very long neck.
Oh.
So it can
Animals'
eat.
homes made by man. Dog,
Kennel.
cow,
Barn.
pig,
Pig sty and pig pen.
horse,
Stable.
fish,
Aquarium.
chicken.
Coop.
Oh. Homes made by animals. Bees,
Bees hives.
ants,
Ant hills.
lion,
Den or cave.
rabbit,
Burrow.
bird,
Nest.
spider,
Web.
ano ba to? Kasali to? Which animals has fur to keep it warm during winter? Bear, snake, hawk.
Not for. Fur.
Fur.
Bear.
Which body covering supports birds when they are flying? Shell, feathers, hard scale.
Feathers.
What body parts do fishes use for swimming in the water? Scales in gills, fin in tails, scales.
Fin and tail.
Which of the groups of animal use their arms and tentacles to swim? A. Whales and shark and dolphins. Dolphins, whale and octopus. Jellyfish, octopus and squid.
Jellyfish, octopus, and squid.
Which of these animals have flippers for swimming?
Dolphin.
Shark, dolphin, crab.
Dolphin.
Which animal lives in branches of trees? Bird,
Monkey.
kangaroo, giraffe.